Hey guys, it's AllycatlovesAG, and hope you guys are having an amazing February. This video is a complete guide to Valentine's Day. This is also a collab video because those are so much fun to do. So I'm doing this collab with AGtutorials. AGtutorials has very similar themes of videos to me, so she does a lot of opening, tags, challenges, tips and tricks. Her Instagram is so amazing. Her photos are amazing. She's been gaining so rapidly, and her YouTube also is just amazing quality. I'm telling you guys, check her out. If you haven't seen the collab that we did over the summer, the lookbooks, that will be linked in the I button. And also a few weeks back, I opened up a package from our Etsy shop, the Petite Whale Co., and that will also be linked in the I button, and both those videos and all her links will be in the description. So we will each be showing you guys 1 or 2 outfit ideas, a hairstyle, as well as a DIY. On my channel, the DIY I am doing is a no-sew heart pillow, kind of similar to this one right here. AGtutorials will be making a Valentine's Day banner. So once you guys finish my video, definitely be sure to watch her video. It will be linked in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here is one of my 2 outfit ideas. This is the comfy, cute type of vibe outfit. Victoria's hair is just down, and then I have this headband from a retired American Girl ballet set. Her top is from the Etsy shop So Cute Forever, and her shorts are from the retired PJ set called the leopard print PJs or something like that. They're just these really fuzzy shorts that have pink spots on them, and some of them even resemble hearts, and they're just so soft. And her shoes are these foam little loafer sandals that you get when you have the Spa Deluxe package at the American Girl hair salon. And here is the overview of the outfit. To make this no-sew pillow, you're going to need felt or fabric, a hot glue gun and glue sticks. However, if you actually know how to sew, unlike me, you can do this either with a needle and thread or with a sewing machine. You're gonna need something to stuff the pillow with, so I'm using stuffing for mine. However, you can use fabric scraps, cotton balls, clean tissues, whatever you have on hand. And also some items for decoration, so you can use scrap pieces of felt. I found this really pretty pom-pom trim from the Target dollar section, and I found this really pretty white lace ribbon from the dollar store. You can also use Sharpies if you want to draw on your pillows once you're finished. So let's get started. So I just plugged in my hot glue gun, and now I'm going to be folding my fabric or felt in half and cutting out a semi-heart shape, just like this. And now I'm going to unfold the fabric and copy this heart onto that piece of fabric to have 2 halves. So once I have 2 halves of the heart, I'm gonna use hot glue and glue them together just by putting a border of glue around the hearts. If you were to use fabric, you might want to hem it first. However, since felt doesn't usually fray, it shouldn't be an issue. So I finished gluing all the way around, and I left a little opening here so we can stuff it. Now you're just going to take your stuffing and stuff it, and then you're going to seal the opening with hot glue. So now we have our basic pillow, and I'm going to be putting some trim around the sides with some hot glue to make the edges look a little bit cleaner and decorate the pillow. And here is the finished pillow. For this cute little heart hairstyle, you're going to be needing a wire wig brush, and some clear hair ties is what I'm using. However, any hair tie will do, and also bobby pins if you wish to secure it a little bit better. So you're going to start off by taking a section by the top of her head, so I'm using this area right here, and you're just going to brush that area and get a section about that size, brush it through and tie it off. So now that that's secure, we are going to loosen it a little bit and make a little hole where you can stick your fingers through, and then you're going to tuck it and bring the elastic and all the hair that it contains up through that hole and out the other end. So after I pulled that through, I just pulled on the 2 ends, divided in half, and pulled to tighten it. Now you're going to take, if it's not already, just divide that piece of hair into 2 different pieces. And in the original video, she just left it as it is and made a heart. However, because we're not doing the pull through braid, I'm just going to twist it. And you can see it kind of forms a heart. It's a bit easier to see from an upper view. And then take an elastic and tie those twisted ends together. And by the way, I did take some pins just to secure the twist in place. However, that is optional. And here we have our final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below saying, did you like the hairstyle, the outfit, or the craft better? And are you going to try any of these things and suggestions I've done in this video? Just another huge reminder to go check out AGtutorials videos. Those will be linked in the description. Honestly, they are such good quality, and maybe even subscribe to their channel. Thanks again so much for watching this video. Have an amazing day, and bye!